Hey guys, today I am going to practice my English while cooking, and now I am going to make noodles, paneer peanut pizza noodles. So guys, as you can see, this is the mixture of garlic, peanut and green chili, and I have ground it earlier, and I have chopped all the vegetables as you can see, and I will add tomato ketchup, and I have already fried this paneer with little golden brown. Now work has heated up. Now I will add mixture of peanut, garlic and green chili, and I will fry it until golden brown because this is the main ingredient. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon salt, then I will add onion. Now I'm going to add capsicum and cabbage. Now I will add paneer. What happened, baby? What happened? Now I will add noodles. Now I'm going to mix it very well. So guys, as you can see, my noodles has been prepared. Now it's time to eat. So guys, now my mother-in-law is eating noodles. How is it?
Yummy. Delicious. Hot.
Hot.
Me.
So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.
Bye.